Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Backlund, and today I'll be walking you through the pre-owned 2014 Hurricane 187 SunDeck. Very striking yellow hull color. This pre-owned boat is in great shape, powered by a 115 horse Yamaha Outboard. So we'll step aboard and take a look. Boarding ladder with very nice swim platform, access to the other side, wide open cockpit, plenty of seating for all your guests, captain's chair. Moving up to the helm, we do have a Lowrance Elite 4 GPS, in-floor storage, and very wide and spacious bow seating, with front boarding platform as well and ladder. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, feel free to give us a call. Again, this is Brian Backlund. I can be reached at 813-503-2649, so give us a call. Come down and see our new and pre-owned inventory, or schedule a demo and get on the water today.